Mix bananas, honey, and water. Cough and bronchitis will disappear. If you have ever suffered from a chronic cough and bronchitis, you know that it can be an unpleasant experience which can last for a longer period of time, causing many difficulties for us. Treating these health issues has always been a challenge even for the conventional medicine. However, instead of taking all those pills and medications, you should treat your problem in a natural way. We have a new remedy for you that has the ability to soothe the throat and lungs and cure bronchitis and cough in no time. It is completely natural and safe, so it can be used for both children and adults. This remedy can help you with a sore throat, bad cough, and even stomach problems. How to prepare it? Needed ingredients: 400 ml boiling water, 2 medium ripe bananas with dots, 2 tablespoons of honey. Directions: peel the bananas and puree them with a wooden spoon or fork. Make sure not to use metal cutlery because the bananas will darken when in contact with metal. Then, you should put the bananas in a pot and add boiled water to them. Let it steep for 30 minutes. When the mixture is cooled off, you should add honey. Strain the mixture if you prefer it transparent. Consume 100 ml of this remedy, 4 times a day. This amount will be enough for 1 day. The following morning you should prepare another, fresh one. Within 5 days, you will experience the first results.